Hey everyone, this is Stan Gendlin with Real Estate Skills. In this video, we're going to talk about if wholesaling is legal, how to do it in your area legally, what are the rules and regulation in all of the states when it comes to wholesaling. Before we get into this video, make sure to check the link in the description. Check out our guide on legally wholesaling in all 50 states. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below for more content. So first, is wholesaling even legal? Well, the general answer is yes. It does vary from state to state, and every state and sometimes even cities have their own rules that apply. So you really have to check and see how to wholesale legally in your area before you get into it. Sometimes you need your real estate license, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you can assign a contract, sometimes you have to do a double closing. Sometimes you can't even do a double closing. You actually have to buy the property, hold it for a period of time, and then sell it. So overall, the answer is yes, but let's get into figuring out how to do it in your area. Before we get into this video, just a disclaimer, this is not personalized legal advice, so make sure you talk to a real estate attorney in your area to know what the rules and regulations are to do it legally where you live. Again, so is wholesaling legal where you do real estate? Make sure you check out the resource in the description below. It has some specific resources for you in your market. But here's a couple examples. In South Carolina, where I have my company and actively wholesale, it's completely legal to do so as long as I follow the right processes and procedures and assign the rights to my contract to a potential buyer, and I'm not actually marketing the property as if I own it. Another example is in Illinois, where you have to be a licensed broker to buy and sell real estate, even wholesaling. Same thing in Ohio. You have to be a licensed real estate agent to wholesale, buy, and sell real estate. Those are three examples where it's very different from where I live and I'm currently doing my wholesaling business. So you make sure to check the resource below and check your area to make sure you're doing it completely legal and in compliance with local laws. Overall, wholesaling is a great strategy for people that are getting started in real estate or as part of your active business to get income faster than buying, fixing, and selling a property, which normally can take 6 months. So here's one example when I decided to wholesale a property instead of flipping it. I got a lead from an out-of-state homeowner who wanted to sell a home that he recently inherited in my market. Because I needed some cash at the time to keep my business going, and I had a lot of projects at the time, I decided it was a better strategy to wholesale than flip it. If I were to flip this property, sure, I would have made a lot more money, but a property that was this damaged like this one would have taken me 6 months to renovate, maybe another month or two to sell, so I would see no profit for almost 8 months. In this scenario, I wholesaled the property to a willing rehabber, and I made a lot of money that was able to cash flow my business for several months, not having to worry about getting another sale. There's a lot of great reasons to wholesale instead of flip. And remember, as long as you follow the rules and regulations in your area, you could do it anywhere. So to conclude this video, remember, wholesaling varies from city to city, from county to county, from state to state. Make sure you talk to a licensed real estate attorney in your area to figure out how to legally follow the rules and regulations in your area and be able to wholesale real estate. And again, check out the link in the description for our guide to wholesaling that has advice for all 50 states. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.